Lynette here with Charm Grammy Crochet, and welcome to Roy's room or the man cave today with my Coke bottle and my bulky yarns. I want to welcome you here for another video. Today's video is going to be Merry Maxim Monday because I got my quarterly Afghan kit and I wanted to share that with you. I hope I got the same one as Nancy from She's Got Yarn Too. I love the kit that she got and the colorway that she got it in. She got it in like white and purple, or cream and lavender, or white and lavender. And I hope that I have the same colors. I'm very excited. I have not opened it. It just arrived in the mail today. I went to the post office. I had some mail to mail and packages that I forgot to mail. So those didn't go out. Maybe tomorrow. I'll go back and mail those that I forgot all about it. I didn't do my pirate ship. If you are new, thanks for joining me and welcome. And if you're old, thanks for coming back. If you are new, you don't know that I use a company called Pirate Ship when I ship things, and it's just online. You print your old label, you package up your thing, you measure it, and you say where you're going to, where you're and the size of the package, and it tells you. You pay them, they pay UPS, USPS, FedEx, whoever they pay. You take it there, drop it off, and it's already paid for, and it's less expensive than the regular places that they're still mailing through those regular places. So I thoroughly enjoy using that, and I do do my own packaging in that manner. And it's you don't pay for Pirate Ship, you just pay them to print your label, and I haven't had any issues. If you make a mistake and you measure incorrectly or weigh incorrectly, they will adjust your bill. The post office or whatever tracking place you send your mail through, they will double check it to make sure they're getting paid correctly, and then they just bill Pirate Ship, and then bills you. So anyway, that's that. Okay, look, yeah, I did get my hair cut. I got them all cut. A lot more than I thought I needed cut, and I'm not sure if it's even short enough. I didn't straighten it. She cut it, and I just let it go, and I came home. So it's like flipping out a little bit here. I just go to like Best Cuts or Great Clips or whatever, $20, you're out the door with a haircut. Because I don't have my hair like styled. I have my style, but don't mind my fidgeting because there's hairs. She left a lot of little hairs all over me. I keep thinking I get rid of them and then more pop up. So please forgive the fidgeting. I like the cut though. I think it's fine. It added a lot of body to my hair, which was being weighed down. So that's what I wanted. But does it look darker to you? No, not in this light. It sure doesn't. When I was in the car, I thought, oh my gosh, how is my hair getting darker? That can't happen. That never happens. Whose hair gets darker? It always gets, you don't go gray and then get your color back. But it was looking, maybe it was just still wet enough that it looked darker. I thought, why is it got more black in it than normal? Or brown or dark, whatever. Not white or silver or whatever you want to call my hair. Okay, come on. So as you can see, I have not opened the package yet. And it's not cooperating. Oh! I see some yarn, I see some yarn. Alrighty. Oh, let's put that on the floor. What is this? Okay, so this is the quarterly kit. It's $4.99 for shipping, and it's $29.99 for the quarterly kit. I've been getting these for I think probably a year. I have 3 upstairs. Two upstairs. I gave one away, so this one makes 4. One's a quarter. That's 4 times, right? So I did get the colors Nancy has. And the blanket. Oh my God, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Nancy from She's Got Yarn Too. This was her first kit. I don't know. I've been on there, you know, I've been doing this obviously for a year now. And she got her kit first. This is her first time to sign up for it. I'm like, wait, how does she get hers first? I was jealous. The day they said that they were preparing mine for shipping, like getting it together, your bag's going to go out in the next 20 days. She got her bag that day, or her video went up that day. I'm like, how the heck does that work out? I don't get precedent for being there longer. I'm anxious for my kit. Even though I've never, I'll be honest, I've never crocheted one of them yet. But I have not been disappointed in any of the yarn or in any of the blanket. The looks, well, one blanket, I thought I'm never making that blanket. But I still liked the yarn very much. And I haven't ever gone and said, oh, the yarn costs this much. And, you know, I haven't done that. I'm happy with getting the kits. I look forward to getting the kits. I don't think $30 for a blanket, or $35 by the time you pay the shipping, is, you know, with the pattern, all the yarn that you need. I don't think that's a bad price. And so I'm not even questioning it. I've heard some people say that it's like they always use discontinued yarn, so don't, you know, make sure you have enough, or I'll wing it if that gets to the point that I don't have enough yarn. If and when I start making the kits, I will at one point make the kits, I'm sure. But I'm not, fire trucks going by. I am happy with the kits, so I'm not going to pick them apart. Could I buy the yarn and the pattern separately, get the yarn on sale, and get them for less than $35? If I went to like Hobby Lobby and their clearance sale for definite, sure. But you get it with the pattern, you get a nice zipper bag. This is going to be a 38 by 47 spring tiles throw. So I'm going to say that you make squares. If you look at the, you know, big imprint, the big picture. Yeah, I'm going to say that you're making squares. You're attaching them some way that you get that little star. Nancy pointed that out as well. Isn't that cool? Yeah, you can see it there. I just think the pattern is gorgeous. It's like, oh, here's another. And there's pictures to show you along the way. I hope I got it centered, you know, I got it in front of my face, so. But there's lots of pictures in here. There's like a diagram. So I think the join might be a little bit of a weird way to join, but I'm going to give it a shot. Might be my favorite way to join squares after this. I don't know. But I really like the way that it makes the square. Then the yarn is, I believe the yarn that this is right now is on, some of the colors are at least, or the yarn itself is on sale at Mary Maxim. I remember I just texted Lynette from Nina's Next Knots, because I think this is her like very favorite yarn in the whole world, is this Nako by Mona Lisa. It's one of, I know it's one of her favorites, and I believe it's on sale for $1.99 a skein right now at Mary Maxim as of the recording of this, or at least 2 days before I recorded this. I got a text from Mary Maxim. And you guys, I know I say this all the time. If you are wanting to buy yarn, stock up, watch for the sales, join the email list and let the yarn companies notify you what they've got on sale. You can always, you know, not buy it. I know it's really hard to do. But anyway, this is 100% premium acrylic. It is beautiful lavender color. Let's see the color. Oh, they just give you a number. 9933.5 is the color of this beautiful lavender. Let's see if I can read. The light is shining in on me. They want 5.5 hook or needles. It says it's anti-pilling. It is 100 grams, 172 meters, which means I don't know. It does not tell you in non-metric what it is. So that's what it is in the metric measurement. It is very soft. It is very squishy. I believe it to be a 4 weight. That was the other thing I was looking for. It does not say in English what it is. Maybe it's a 3, maybe it's a 4. It is very soft though. I can understand why Nina loves it so much. And yes, it's cream. Aren't they beautiful? And the cream color is 98511. Aren't they lovely? I just love the pattern. And let's see, how many skeins of this do we get? Comes in this real nice zipper bag, and I think most of the time, yeah, the bag has a pouch in there to put the pattern in. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of the cream color and 4 of the lavender. So 12 skeins of yarn, plus this really nice zipper bag to hold it all in with the pouch. Here's the pouch. And the pattern. And they deliver it to your house or your post office box in my case. In the wintertime, I'll change it back to being delivered to my house. But in the summertime, because we're at the camper half the time, I always have it go to the post office box. That way, if it comes when I'm not home, I don't have to worry about it sitting out on my porch for a weekend. So let's see if I can get this. There we go. Let's zip it back up so it comes right to your door. I just put the pattern right in the little pouch on the inside. Handle and everything right in the little bag with your very nice, soft, silky, beautiful yarn and such a gorgeous pattern. Oh my gosh. That one is really, really pretty. I really, really like it. So that'll go back with the patterns. One day I'll get you blankets that one day I'll make. I will, one day. Not this week, because I'm already making blankets this week. I have 7 rows on the yellow blanket for the girls. I have 7 rows plus 2 rows of border to finish the yellow one. And then I have to make the teal one. Move-in day is Saturday. And I picked up an extra day at work at the casino. I don't believe I'll get them all done. I'm not going to the camper on Friday, but I am working Friday. So I have more crochet time than I was working both jobs full, not full time, but both part-time jobs 2 days a week. I am working only 3 days this week, but I am going to start my work remotely a few hours a week for the job that I quit. So we'll see how that goes. I'm supposed to go pick up my laptop tomorrow after work, after the casino. And then I'm going to crochet away on the pink, well, hopefully the yellow blanket will get done today for the girls. And Chloe's coming over. We have some things to work out on the computer that we can't figure out for getting her funding for school. She's got a scholarship to Case for academics, an academic full ride scholarship to pay for her college, but she's dorming again this year, and that we need to pay for. So she's getting a loan, another one, all for the dorm. That's the only thing that she has loans for is living expenses. You gotta do what you gotta do, I guess. But anyway, that is my Mary Maxim haul. I'm going to end this video because I have 2 more videos to make, and I want to get them done real quick, and they're just going to be hopefully quick videos, so that I don't keep you too long. And I will see you guys in the next video. This is Monday, Mary Maxim. Tomorrow is something else. I'll see you then. Bye.